mysterious door from last time? Well, with the Loaded Boys' help, we managed to gain access to rooms.
First lockpick, gone. Second, gone. Oh, we only need the skeleton key, you guys. So I watched the video on how to do this, and now we can finally get this done. Oh, continuing run. Oh, yes, we're gonna be trying it out and seeing if we can survive, or if it's too darn challenging. The rooms. Wait, I need the gummy. Yeah?
There's lighting all over the floor.
Ooh. And we're going faster. Oh my god. Whoa, this is like really cool, you guys.
Yeah.
You know? Do we get an achievement for doing this? Just like the actual rooms, I was starting to get worried at this point because everything's like 4K, which I've never seen in rooms before. You guys, this is actually really creepy. Are they gonna make a new sound? They're gonna make a new sound, I bet. We should probably listen because it's getting close to A60. No, it didn't show up for me. Okay, A16. We're at A16, you guys. Here's when I began noticing that the rooms were updated. You guys notice that the textures are different and like everything looks higher quality?
Yeah.
That's kind of creepy.
It's more advanced.
We're basically playing rooms on steroids. Now we're at A24, and unlike the last video, I'm going to document the process getting here because what's about to happen next is terrifying. A29. Okay, you guys, we're only 30 away from where the creepy stuff happens. You guys, I'm back, and we are at A45. We are getting close to A50, but it's now A60. Okay, you guys, we're now at A47, and it's starting to get really creepy because we know that very soon we're gonna get attacked. This is where they'd start attacking in the old game, so let's be quiet now. Okay, I'm actually kind of scared. The gummy flashlight's 10 coins. It's like... Oh my gosh. It's that room remade. Oh. Okay, we're at 8:57. We're only 3 away, you guys. Get ready. A58. 8:59. A60. Get ready. Wait, guys, let's stop and listen. Oh. This surprisingly was a false alarm. It still did make some weird noises, which is kind of creepy. What was that? Where stuff starts to get creepy. Okay. A63. A64. A65. Wait, go up to the locker and listen. Again, nothing happened, just a weird piano noise. We were pretty paranoid. What's that piano sound then? Here is where it happens. Okay, be careful, because soon... Oh! I'm hiding! Oh my god! Jeez! That's a lot more scary! Oh my gosh! That's way more scary and fast! You can actually see him now! What the heck? Did you guys see that? Okay, you guys, now I'm way more creeped out than the rooms ever could have been. And now we actually have to listen now that we're at A75. You guys, have you heard of A90? Which... Closest call. Okay, open this door and wait. We need to listen. Shh, shh, shh. Oh, hide! Do you hear that, you guys? It's getting louder.
I was 1 second away. Oh my god.
A89. This is where he starts appearing, A90. I hate A90 so badly. I did it! I stopped in time.
Same.
I stopped in time. He didn't do any damage. Let's go slower, okay? Oh! Hi, you guys! That was too close! Holy crap! You guys, he like came down to me and like passed me. Okay, A90 isn't that scary, but A60 is actually nightmare fuel.
What's A120?
Oh, we're so close to A120. Okay, you guys, I'm back here, and you may have just saw the A90 encounter, but we are getting close to A120, where all hell breaks loose. Oh, hide! Hide, Loki, hide! Holy crap! Jeez. Loki, you're so lucky to be alive. Okay, you guys, we're at A108. Oh my gosh, you can go through doors with the flashlight.
Don't use your flashlight.
Oh. A1. Okay, we're at A114, you guys. We're getting really close to A120.
Wait up, Jason, wait up.
This one, it actually gets dark. Oh. Shoot, I lost. I didn't notice A90, and I'm really low now.
Yeah, we do.
Yeah. Shout stop when it happens, okay?
I stopped entirely.
I'm so... I did it just barely in the nick of time. Okay, you guys, I'm so close to dying. Y'all, I'm sorry I have to use my flashlight. Okay, you guys, we're at A131, and we're starting to get terrified. I'm gonna walk slower now. Okay, Okay, open this door and wait. What noise? Okay, we're at A134. Oh, wait. Hold up.
And here's where a
Okay.
close call happens.
What are we at? A137. We're close. I almost just died to A90. And
Why was A60 flashing?
I almost died to A90. A139, you guys. Still no A120. A141. Wait, I'm a little behind. A140. Okay. A144. Okay. We're doing this, you guys. A145. A146.
Wait up.
Someone. What do you. No! Oh, hello. I'm surprised you found this place.
We both died.
It's pretty tedious just to get here, last time I checked. Anyways, what'd you die to? Squiggly one! A120. Oh, a squiggly face. It starts attacking after A120. Anyways, I hope you don't mind trying again. It would be helpful. Okay, you guys. Well, thank you everybody for watching VW Bubs. If you want me to try again for the original doors to make it to 100 and to try and beat this one, we need to get this video to 10 likes. Come on, we can do it. Anyways, thank you everybody for watching VW Bubs. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe and peace.